Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Now, how do we find the radius r of the circumscribed circle? Now, if we transfer this problem into the whiteboard, we will start by labeling the inscribed triangle ABC. So the angle at vertex A will denote it as angle A, then the angle at vertex B to be angle B, and the angle at vertex C to be angle C. So if this is angle A, then the opposite side, line BC, will be denoted by small a. Then if this is angle B, then the opposite side, line AC, will be denoted by small b. Then if this is angle C, then the opposite side, line AB, will denote by small c. Now if we use the sine rule, we will have A over sine A to be equals to B over sine B to be equals to C over sine C, and that is always equals to 2r in case of a circumscribed circle. Now, this is now very simple. We can compare maybe angle A with 2r. So we'll have A over sine A to be equals to 2r. We can use any of the three angles. So in this case, we've chosen to deal with angle A. Now for you to get r, we will simply divide both sides by 2. So that goes with that. Then we'll remain with r, the radius, to be A over 2 sine A. So it means A we already know is 12. So we'll have r is 12 because A is 12 over 2 sine A. So that is 12 over 2 sine A. So what do we have? So 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 6. So we have 6 over sine A. Now we found the radius r to be 6 over sine A. Now, having found the radius r to be 6 over sine A, we can now use the cosine rule to give the relationship between the sides of the triangle and one of the angles. So if we choose angle A, we will start with A squared to be equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC, then the cosine of angle A. Now, if you do the substitution, side A is 12, so that is going to be 12 squared. Side B is 10, is equals to 10 squared, plus side C is 10 plus 10 squared, then minus 2 times B times C, that is 2 times 10 times 10. B is 10, C is 10, then cos A. So that is what we have. So if you take the nodes on this other side of the equation, if we collect like times, we have 2 squared positive 10 squared coming this side, it is minus 10 squared positive 10 squared coming on the other side of the equation, minus 10 squared to be equals to negative 2 times 10 times 10 is negative 200 cos A. Now 12 squared minus 10 squared is going to be negative 56 to be equals to negative 200 cos A. Now for us to get cos A, we simply divide both sides by negative 200. So negative 200 goes with negative 200, negative 56 over negative 200 is 7 over 25. So 7 over 25 is equals to cos A. But remember, according to trigonometric ratios, cos A is always the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So this will imply that the adjacent side is 7 and the hypotenuse side is 25. So according to Pythagoras theorem, then for us to get the opposite side will now be the square root of the hypotenuse squared minus the adjacent squared, because opposite and adjacent are the two shorter sides. So what do we get? Square root of 25 squared minus 7 squared is 24, meaning the relationship between the three sides of a right angle triangle, we will get the opposite to be 24. Now we are now in a position to get sine A. Remember, sine is always opposite over hypotenuse, and the opposite side is 24. Then the hypotenuse side is 25. So it means sine A is 24 over 25. So it means when you're looking for the radius r, it is 6 over sine A, but sine A is 24 over 25. So it is 6 over 24 over 25. So what is r? So r, it is now going to be 6 times 25 over 24. So 6 times 25 over 24, you will get 25 over 4. So the radius r is 25 over 4, which is the same as 6.25. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the simplest means to determine the radius of this circumscribed circle using the sine and the cosine rule. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next presentation. Don't forget to subscribe.